Welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today we will explore a cultural institution in Madrid dedicated to the preservation and exhibition of fashion history. The Garment Museum, known as the Museo del Traje in Spanish, was established with the aim of showcasing the evolution of clothing and fashion in Spain throughout history. It covers the 1700s, when Spain was influenced by French fashion. The ornamental richness of the fabrics is evident in men's and women's clothing, as well as in liturgical garments. Around 1800, the French Revolution brought a new classicism, and women's dress adopted more relaxed forms. This short-lived fashion was a liberation of the body. The museum also has a section devoted to traditional clothing, with a rich collection of regional costumes. The Garment Museum has over 160,000 pieces and documents. The exhibition includes pieces from the textile repository, as well as ethnological and documentary assets, which help to put the different periods into context and understand that trends go beyond just clothing. The origin of the Garment Museum lies in the historic costume exhibition held in 1925, although the current museum institution dates from 2004. It houses an extensive and diverse collection of clothing and textiles dating from the Middle Ages to the present day. The 20th century marked the beginning of Spanish haute couture, as Spain began to be seen as a tourist destination and to be the object of attention for fashion magazines such as Vogue and Harper's Bazaar in the early 1950s. The 1960s marked an explosion of Spanish fashion, and the streets took to fashion. The Garment Museum occasionally hosts fashion shows, lectures, and cultural events related to clothing and fashion trends. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon in Connolly Cove.